Hey everyone, Alvin here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are enjoying this Python mini program videos. Today, we are going to write a simple Python program that reads words from a file, sorts them alphabetically, and saves the sorted words to a new file. Let's get started. Create a new folder for our sixth program and name it as Python Program 6. Now open Visual Studio Code and open the Python Program 6 folder. Now create new file and name it as input.txt, then add this content. Python is good. Python is easy. Python is simple. Learning Python is fun and rewarding. Now save the file. Let's create a new file and name it as sortingwords.py. Step 1. Start with function definition. Definite sorting file name. We are defining a function named sorting, which takes the file name as input. Step 2. Open the input file. Infile is equal to open file name. Words is equal to. We open the file for reading and initialize an empty list to store the words. Step 3. Read and split each line. For line in infile, temp is equal to line.split. For I in temp, words.append I. We loop through each line, split it into words, and add them to the words list. Step 4. Close the input file. Infile.close. Always remember to close the file after reading. Step 5. Sort the words. Words.sort. Sorting is super easy in Python. Just one line with .sort. Step 6. Open output file and write sorted words. Outfile is equal to open output.txt w. For I in words, outfile.writelines I. Outfile.writelines. Outfile.close. Now we write the sorted words into output.txt, each followed by a space. Step 7. Call the function sorting input.txt. And finally, we call the function and give it the name of our input file. Now we'll run our Python script by typing python sortingwords.py. This runs the script and check the output.txt file, and here we go. The words are sorted alphabetically. That's it guys. If you enjoyed this simple Python program videos, make sure to hit that like button, thumbs up sign, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you want more file handling examples. See you in the next video. Happy coding!